Yo, um, I don't know who's actually gonna watch this. I think I might put it on YouTube. But I have a shit ton of drops to open. I've been waiting like a month, 2 months just for this. So let's get started. Now, I'm not like expecting anything super duper crazy out of this, like at all. I don't know why I would. I believe we have like at least 36 drops. Oh yeah, we use this for sure. Honestly, like I haven't done this in a while, obviously, and I don't think I sound anything like I used to. If you go back and listen to my old videos, but I mean, like I don't think that's how's that new rare? The fuck? It's new, so like okay, I'll store it. NP for sure. Um, Bishop. My brother was actually telling me about this Bishop cat, so I'm gonna use it. But how much NP? Only 50, bro. Okay. In that case, I'm gonna store him because I gotta put some more research into him. But I think Pogo Cat's decent. Tin Cat. Um, do I have them unlocked? No. As long as I can like unlock them for the user rank, I'm perfectly fine with it. Like I have Toaster Cat, so here since it's a super rare, I'm gonna exchange them. Here we go. Bang. Olympia Cat. I already have this, so I need NP because I need to increase the power of my Ubers. Oh, there we go. Okay. Bishop Cat again. I'm gonna use this because my brother was saying they're good. So, Gardener Cat. I know this is good against zombies. That's why it's a lumberjack. You know, out of every single Uber, you'd think that there'd be like a little more or a little higher, like variety. But I've gotten like I believe two of the same series so far. Get rid of that. Never seen this before. I don't know if it's any good. So I'm gonna. What am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna just. I'm gonna put some research into it. Find out if it's good. Witch Cat. Enchantress. Let's go. Matador. I know I used to use this cat a lot for God knows what. So like I already have 3+, so I'm just gonna put them over there. But honestly, welterweight, in my opinion, like out of using him against zombies, which is really only the only thing I've ever used him for, he's not that good. Sodom. Like, okay. Um, Once again, I don't know, so I'm just gonna put research into them. Okay, perfect. I can use the dark, um, dark catalyst for, um, or I can use my dark catalyst for my dark guru swimmer. Let's go. Come on. Welter. Yep, you already know. Matador. You already know. Archer. Oh, isn't this just, yeah, Cupid? Yep. So I'm gonna get rid of this too. Do I have this? I do. Okay. So I need the strongest red enemies, which that is. Because I'm trying to get through. I already beat Crimson Catastrophe, but I haven't quite. Oh wait, no, we just got this one. I haven't quite done the Crimson Vengeance or whatever it is. Apparently, Commando Cat is good. I don't think so at all, but sure. Ooh, isn't this Fencer Cat? I believe I got this one. I got this one on my old account. Yeah. I don't know if he's any good. But I'm gonna use him. Isn't 10 the max like plus I can get right now? Oh, that's what this is. Okay. Bet. Why not? Alright, well I guess we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops left. Let's see if we get anything worthwhile. Fuck it, why not? It's Uberfest, so I'm going to use all the drops I can. Worst case scenario, because it says when it ends, so I'll be fine in that case. When does it end? 2 days. Okay. Perfect. And I don't know if that applies to everybody. Yeah, this one I don't really use it, so I'm just gonna exchange it. I don't really, or I don't use like a lot of these. And like I have no interest to. So like I'm not going to, of course, because I have no reason to. Thief Cat, I don't know if this is any good, but obviously I've already put some stuff into it. Alright, how many new did we actually get out of this? I'm not doing any of that. Did we just fill up the rares? Oh, first rare screen filled. Bet. Okay, that's all clear. Fencer Cat. And I didn't unlock any Ubers, so that's clear. We can go all through here, through the special cats. Honestly, okay, I'm gonna like upgrade this a little bit just for the user rank. until it becomes like a little excessive in expense. See, I don't know what I want to upgrade though. Swimmer cat's good, apparently. Here, I'm just gonna get this to the next one. Drama cats. Okay. See, I don't know what I want to upgrade or what I need to upgrade. Yeah, I'm only using the Dark Catalyst for Ubers because I also believe that's all you can use them for. Or no, you can use them on anything, so that's all I'm gonna use it for. Yeah, see, I don't know what to upgrade. I already have my Guru at 40. This is 42. Oh no, I might just save my catalyst for next time. This offer, I'll pass, but all right. Normal cats, max 40 plus. Cool. Also, it's cat eyes, but I like to call it catalyst because that just sounds way better. Okay, so we have these 4 Ubers, which out of all that, like, I've gotten 4 Ubers in one opening before. So, I mean, like, in general, not the best value. Black angel enemies, area attack, okay. Obviously, some of this can change as well. Might knock back floating, okay, so floating. Also floating. Strong against zombies. Okay, I could use this, honestly. Not because I'm having trouble on the zombie stages. I mean, like, sometimes I have to try like 4 times to get through one, but that's usually because I end up going a little overboard, if you will, with, my initial deployments. Because look. That is my current deck. Oh no, sorry. This is my zombie deck. This is my main deck. If you guys have any suggestions as to what I should change, let me know. Oh, this is when I was trying to defeat a boss, and I needed something like powerful but like quick on the front lines, and I found that one of the uber rares that was like above level 10, I could reduce back down to its normal form. I actually checked a lot of them, and well, it worked. And then I forgot what this one was for. Oh, this was for one of the red thingies. It was just a lot of red enemies. That didn't work. So, yeah. We have 700,000 XP left. 750,000. We already have, like, the ones that I really care about already maxed out. Let's just get Bishop through. Monk. Alright. Here we go. I'm just gonna use the rest of the XP on whatever else. No, it's too high. Too high, too high, too high, too high. There's not like a lot. Alright, there we go. And then I basically can't spend it on anything else unless if I have a brand new unit. Do I have another unit that's like brand new? I think I only unlocked a couple, and then I already went through Fencer, which is the only super rare that I believe I used. Or like a new super rare. Yeah, it's gonna be a new super rare. And then yeah, alright. Well, I know, okay. I've been watching this dude, ANJV or what is it? ANVG? ANVJ? I believe it is. Fish biologist. Bro. Yeah, no, he was talking about like how you have to reach 8 minutes to get like double monetized. I do not care about that at all. Obviously, because I'm not gonna get monetized because like I have like no following at all. But yeah. So it's like likes mean nothing. I can ask you guys to subscribe, but then you guys probably won't get another video for like the next like year, 2 years, maybe even 3 years, 4 years. So with that being said, I'm just gonna dip out. So I also don't have an outro developed. So, or an intro for that matter. Yeah, so GG, I guess. Yeah. Peace.